Hello, welcome to One Talk. Today I go to our second factory in Yangjiang City. This is the second factory for Fangrong factory. This is called the Yangjiang Fangrong Machinery Company Limited. Let me show you what we are doing in our second factory and what kind of machine we're installing in here. In here, this is our two workshop, two building. And here is our office. Due to our first factories do not have enough space for more machine installing, so we finished the workshop first to installing the machine in the second factory. So you may find our office still not finished. And also this another building is the dormitory for our workers. We provide the free lunch, free dinner for our workers, and also provide the dormitories for our workers. And let's go into the workshop. Now we are installing the different model drawing machine that have the 13 tons, 14 tons, and 20 tons, and 10 tons, 5 tons, 2 tons drawing machine installing in here. Those machines are just for the foreign countries. This customer require the drawing machine, straightening machine, and the plating machine for the copper tube. Also, the effective length for the drawing machine is 60 meters, and the main drum frame effective length is 40 meters. Due to the first factory without enough space, so we want to shorten the delivery time of our customers. So we installing the long effective length drawing machine in here. Also, the automatic straightening machine, automatic plating machine, also installing in this workshop. Here, I still have another free space that we install the processing machines in here. So in the next few months, we are busy in purchase and installing the new processing machines in this space. Now more and more customer require the automatic machines. Like 18% customer require the automatic straightening machine, automatic drawing machine, automatic plating machine. Require the more and more automatic manner instead of labor cost in their factory. So we want to shorten the delivery time for our customer. We made a bigger machine in the second factory. Also, we will develop and made a bigger drawing machine. The drawing force more than 100 tons. Straightening machine is used for the OD more than 100 millimeter. And the plating machine more than 100 or more than 15 millimeter. You can see our bridge crane is 5 tons, 10 tons, 20 tons. Fangrong brands already established for 26 years. We want to insist, focus on the drawing machine, straightening machine, and the plating machine. More focus on those 3 series machines and more professional on this field. If you're familiar to the drawing machine, you will know drawing machine including different structure, different series is the customized machine. And also the straightening machine including the vertical, horizontal for the plating machine have different type. Hydraulic type, rotatory type. So we are interested in and want to more and more focus in this field to provide better service to our customer, provide the better delivery time to our customer, help our customer to get the machine more and more faster and get the good quality machine more and more faster to help our customer to get more and more orders. We want Fangrong brand can let more and more customers to know our brand, also including the foreign market, foreign customers to know what Fangrong brands do, what they do, and what is their machine quality and what is their service. So we try our best to establish our team, make our team more and more professional, and provide the better quality, better service to our customer. In the future must be the win-win cooperation. So we are not only provide the machine to our customer, we also assist our customer to develop new and more different idea about their products to help our customer to save the labor cost, to improve their efficiency in their workshop. So if you watch One Talk, you may find we have different type of the automatic manner for different type of the machines. Actually, every automatic manner we design based on our customer needs. So customers send more and more details to us, send their requirements details for us. We are very happy to discuss more and more details with our customer. Only in this way we can provide the better model machine and provide the better proposal for our customer. So if you are looking for the drawing machine, straightening machine, plating machine, and also want to learn more about different metal material, technology, technical data, different processing. If you want to learn more details, technology data about drawing machine, straightening machine, and plating machine, welcome to keep in watching One Talk. I will update more and more machines, technology news to you. Thank you.